Okay, what we have here is approximately 5,000 square feet of driveway, stamped concrete driveway, with a natural slate look, some medallions that have been acid stained over the years. And over time, they do fade. So the objective here is to actually clean, degrease, make sure the surface is ready to accept sealer. A quality stamped concrete sealer. Unlike many sealers designed for regular concrete, and those sealers are actually used by folks, do-it-yourselfers as well as contractors, on stamped concrete. Problem is, a lot of them are styronated, which is a plastic, and under ultraviolet rays, they end up turning yellow. So actually the sealer ends up turning yellow, then the project is virtually toast. So what we try to do is advise people to be smart about it. But again, this is what we do, and standard operating procedures are washing, degreasing, and sealing concrete. Once in a blue moon, we need to get into some other things that we do to rectify issues based on substandard application processes or sealers. So.
You can go back 2 years later and touch it up.
So it's in the process of being sealed. We'll be back.